Gianluca, thank you for being with us. Can we explain better what are the key characteristics of the V4 Granturismo engine?
The Granturismo is our Desmosedici stradale V4 derived engine. It delivers exhilarating performance with its 168 horsepower and 12.8 kg-meters of torque. Powerful and responsive at any RPM, it offers an extraordinary smooth experience from the bottom end.
And I would say, guys, that it's really aesthetically very beautiful because we gave this special glossy black finishing just developed for this bike. And what else, Gianluca?
In addition of what we just said, I can confirm you that this V4 engine really represents the Ducati DNA of favoring the most innovative technical solution. In fact, here we have the counter-rotating crankshaft, derived from Ducati experience in MotoGP, a technology that acts against the gyroscopic effect of the wheels.
In simple words, Rocco, the counter-rotating crankshaft makes the bike more agile and improves the handling of the motorcycle.
Then we have the extended rear cylinder deactivation. It works not only in idle condition, but also at low engine loads.
And thanks to the rear cylinder deactivation, we have a reduction of the fuel consumption, especially, for example, on urban use.
It comes standard with Ducati Quickshift 2.0 derived from Panigale and features the power launch system for breathtaking start. But we must not forget also the work done on sound quality. The twin-pulse firing organ, together with a dedicated exhaust system, produce a very distinctive sound, a thrilling dual-tonality exhaust noise.
Yes, the sound of the V4 Granturismo engine is so great. And last but not least, we have low maintenance costs thanks to the 60,000 kilometers valve clearance check interval.
For a cruiser bike, the comfort and the ergonomics are two of the most important aspects. We can confirm that on the XDiavel V4 we improved a lot on this aspect, making the bike much more comfortable comparing to the first generation.
For what concerns the handlebar, we moved it backward and lower to give the possibility to all the rider of different heights to easily maneuver the bike, also when fully steering the handlebar. We have the feet-forward ergonomics that characterize the riding position of the bike, and then we have a rear wheel travel increased by 25 mm.
Increasing the rear wheel travel allowed to increase the comfort of the new XDiavel V4. And since the comfort is one of the key elements of this new bike, we also increased the seat foam thickness of 58 mm. Obviously, we also didn't forget about the passenger, right, Gianluca?
Correct. We really improved the passenger seat foam thickness and the room in order to make the travel experience better also for them. The seat area increased by 50% compared with the previous generation.
So guys, the weight reduction in Ducati is one of our mantra, not only for sport bikes, but for the entire product range family. And with new XDiavel V4, we improved also on this aspect, comparing to the first generation of it. Is it right, Gianluca?
Right, Rocco. The bike, considering it's a sport cruiser, is the reference of the segment. It weighs 229 kilograms, losing 6 kilograms thanks to adoption of some parts like light aluminum frame and V4 Granturismo engine.
That's an incredible result, because let's remember that a bike that is lighter is a bike that is easier to handle both when riding and also when maneuvering it at low speeds.
Talking about the brakes and suspension, at the front we have a 50 mm fully adjustable fork with two discs of 330 mm with radial monoblock Brembo Stilema calipers, while at the rear we have a fully adjustable rear shock absorber combined with aluminum single-side swing arm.
We have a very good braking system that, combined with the bike geometry and the ABS cornering, allows you to brake and quickly stop with the highest level of safety.
Right, Chiara, you mentioned about the cornering ABS. This Tecno Cruiser is equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, starting from the full LED lighting system, DRL, with a brand new design. But what more, Gianluca?
The 6.9 inches TFT dashboard is well integrated with the forged body of the handlebar. It features an optical bonding, a technology that you may already appreciate in the new Panigale V4. But going on with the technology, the bike has the hands-free system, cruise control, multimedia system with turn-by-turn navigator available as an accessory.
Well, so full package of electronics that will enhance the touring ability of this motorbike. For all riders that want to enjoy the XDiavel V4 in a medium-long range touring.
For what concerns the riding controls, we have 4 riding modes, 3 power modes, and full rider 8 street to ensure the best and safest riding experience.
And that's not all, because if the rider wants, he can customize even more each riding mode. So upon his needs and the riding situation, he can intervene and change the control level of, for example, the cornering ABS, the traction control, all the riding controls.
For the XDiavel V4, the customization is an important part. And in fact, for this bike, we developed a wide range of accessories, starting from the more touring and comfort one to the most show-off. Is that right, Chiara?
Yes, Rocco, you are right. We have such a wide choice in our catalog. We could really say that the rider can tailor his XDiavel V4 upon its needs and taste. For what concerns the touring accessories, we have for the rider 2 windshields of different levels of air protection and 2 different designs, and the comfort and premium seat. While for the passenger, we offer a backrest with handles. Then finally, for the ones to enjoy their XDiavel V4 in mid-long range touring, we have a set of semi-rigid side panniers of 24 liters each with color variant colors. Then, if we move to the more show-off and sporty accessories, we have, for example, the single-seat configuration, forged wheels. We also have colored calipers and then a wide range of billet aluminum and carbon fiber components.
Great, so really a wide range of accessories. But for example, Gianluca, talking about the riding position, is there any accessory that a client can choose to change the ergonomics of the bike?
Yes, Rocco, there is. The feet-forward ergonomics is the key features of the bike, but if the rider prefers a more dynamic riding approach, there is a mid-footpegs accessory kit that the dealer can quickly mount, increasing the maximum lean angle of the bike.
Yeah.